Hi, SionArtwork here. Thanks for tuning in. First off, for my longtime viewers who are used to my videos being in German language, yes, I am going to change things up a bit for the foreseeable future. The majority of the upcoming videos will be in English, though if you prefer to comment in German instead of English under my videos, that is totally fine. Also in regards of my previous videos content, gaming related videos and let's plays and walkthroughs, they will also remain to be recorded in German. For still running video series, I do not want to make that change. Anyway now, I want to go ahead and explain why I am making the change, what my channel was originally about and how I want to continue into the future. I created my channel in the end of 2010. The name SionArtwork originated from two different parts that probably in a nutshell describe me the best. Sion was my preferred username for JRPG games, which originated from my second name Simon, removing the M, while Artwork was chosen since I originally wanted to create art videos, poetry and drawings to be precise. The poetry part, don't ask me about it, that is long gone and not coming back. A few of them still exist on the internet on a different platform, but due to circumstances it would also take me time to find those again. The art, looking at older videos, still does exist. One of these videos is even showing up on my analytics at the pole position for several months, if not even years. I know that video is pretty old and I am 100% convinced that I can produce these kind of art tutorials better nowadays. That paired with the fact that I want to create more unique self-made content for my YouTube channel was the focus behind my decision of changing things up again. Despite having plus 1000 gaming videos on here now, my origin actually lies in creating art. Today it is time for me to go back to my roots. I do not want to shut the door for gameplay videos entirely. Gaming in general will mostly take place on my Twitch account, SionArt. So if you are interested in that, please feel free to check it out and join me on a stream in the future. You can find the link to my Twitch account in the video description. I will mention this once more a bit later in this video. But yes, getting back to the main point, I want to go back to creating art videos for YouTube. There will definitely be a learning process for me as well in how I want these videos to be. What I want to focus on, for example, drawing famous manga characters, drawing my own, or going back to rework my tutorials and make them better. Mostly leaning towards the third option and the second, but I appreciate feedback here. So if there are certain things within the subject you care about, I can go ahead and plan accordingly. Besides drawing though, I did say that I want to have gaming related videos as well, but I don't want to do full playthroughs anymore, at least not at the moment here on YouTube. I am considering doing specific game videos. For example, Final Fantasy XIV is a game I enjoy and in the past was able to share my opinion on different things during Stormblood. That would be something I could see myself doing again. But since that was very situational, it would be something that I will create when the time is right, so to speak. Besides that, I am a speedrunner of the Mega Man X series. My skill level is not top tier, but I try. And getting more people to enjoy the game would be nice, so going through videos like boss strats, easy level or advanced level, stage guides or similar, that would be something I can see myself doing. But we will see. Drawing as for right now is my bigger focus. Looking forward from the past that I went through with this channel, if you know me, you know I am bad at focusing on one thing in particular, so maybe I can become better at that and hopefully we can grow a fun community together doing so. That would be what I am aiming for. There will also be a bigger focus on social media. It's 2020, better late than never, so let me list up what I currently have to offer outside of YouTube. We have a community Discord. A Discord for our community is available. Feel free to check it out. Twitter. I have this account for a while, but again, mostly for gaming related stuff. If you want a sneak peek of art that I am creating or updates to videos creation as well as making sure you are being informed of my next livestream, all kinds of information shall be posted right there. Twitter shall be the hub for all the media in use. Twitch. For gaming livestreams in German and English language. If you want to hang out while I play a game, please go ahead and leave a follow. I would be happy to see you there as well. And the DeviantArt. This account is pretty damn old, but with a focus on art to see the created image in full instead of only through, for example, a YouTube video or a Twitter post, I will go ahead and upload them there as well. All these social media can be found in the video description. In all means, this does not mean you have to be using all of these media to follow me there, but I want to open up a variety of options for you to choose from. A Facebook page or Instagram are on my consideration list. If there is interest for those platforms, I will expand accordingly, but for right now, I think those I mentioned are a decent start. If you do use these platforms and would like me to expand to those, please let me know. In terms of video uploads right now, I'm looking forward to 1 video per week, but this really depends on A, how long the creation of a video will now take me, and B, if there are other kinds of videos I want to release. For example, if I want to focus on a new manga drawing guide only, it seems appropriate to only release 1 video of the series per week. However, let's say I add a Final Fantasy XIV opinion video to it. That may lead to a second upload for that particular week. But regardless, I will keep you updated on Twitter in case you consider to follow me there. I would inform you here on YouTube as well, but I'm a few subs away from the 1K sub mark for a community tab to do so. For an upload schedule, right now I am still debating which day and time of the week would be the best choice. I want to stream on Twitch on Saturdays and possibly Tuesdays, meaning those 2 days will not receive an upload. Instead, I would consider Sunday, Monday, or Friday. Please give me feedback if there is a particular day being preferred by you. That pretty much sums it up. I know that was quite some information, and for some people this may be too much of a change. I'm sure that there are people who would prefer seeing more gaming videos as I did the last few years, but I feel like right now those videos are not what I want to be focusing on, at least not in the way that I previously did. But the option of coming to live streams is definitely there. So now being pumped and energetic, I will go right ahead and plan out my next upload for this channel. It will going to be a drawing video, stay tuned. Personally, I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually really looking forward to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you did not enjoy it. Or like a YouTuber I really like to watch says, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. But yeah, anyway, SionArtwork signing off. Have a good day everyone.